Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect hosting a domain to Bolt.new. So first, log into Bolt.new, open your project and go to the settings gear icon at the top right. Now choose server functions and click on domains and hosting option. It will take you to this page. Here, click add custom domain and enter your domain name like www.yourdomain.com and Bolt will show you a CNAME target, usually something like cname.bolt.new. Keep this tab open for reference. Now, go to hostinger.com, navigate to websites and click Manage option next to your domain. Then navigate to DNS Zone Editor and under the Advanced section, access the DNS records. Now, in the DNS Zone Editor, click Add Record and choose CNAME. Fill in the fields like name, target points to, TTL and save your new record, and this links your subdomain www to your Bolt.new project. Now, you can save this record and this will ensure yourdomain.com leads to the same site. Now, go back to Bolt.new site, navigate to settings, navigate to domains and reach this page that we accessed earlier and simply click verify. So DNS updates can take up to 10 to 30 minutes, so don't worry if it's not instant. After verification, visit your website in your browser and your Bolt.new site should now load live under your Hostinger domain with full HTTPS support. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.